Okay, so after the first use and unboxing, I have to say that I really like it. There are several things about it that are different than most mowers I tried. I'll admit this is my first foray into commercial landscaping, so I'm not a professional. This is my first commercial type lawnmower, so the power, first of all, is amazing. It's definitely a step up from anything that I've tried before. I think this the select drive system is really cool. It's kind of like the pedal for the gas. You can press it slightly and it goes on slightly, then you can go all the way, and it really actually pushes so fast that the wheels raise up. So a lot of power on this machine. It's really cool. Easy to start. I think the first start I didn't get it only because I was a little timid. I don't know, I didn't want to break it or something, but once I gave it a good yank, it started right up. Every single time after that where I had to stop the engine, it started right back up. I'll be doing some more detailed analysis of how much gas it uses and everything like that with the different speeds once I start doing some more lawns, so stay tuned for that. But right now, you know, I just wanted to do a little review of the Honda HRX217. You can find this at Home Depot, and it has this polycarbonate body, or it's some plastic. It's the same kind of plastic that they make NFL football helmets out of. So I kind of like it because for loading it in the back of my truck, I think it's going to be a little bit lighter than a typical steel body would be, but it's still pretty light. So you know, I really like it. I had it set on the 2 setting, so that's pretty low, so my grass is cut pretty short, as you can see, but it kind of breezed right through it. So we'll give you some more information as it goes, but you know, right now my initial impressions are I like it. The engine is powerful, the drive system works very smoothly, and it cut a very even cut. The last time I cut my yard, I cut it with my uncle's Craftsman lawnmower, and you should see there was just a lot of spots. I mean, first of all, there's no way it could have gone this low, and then second, there were just a lot of spots that weren't cut evenly. This, as you can maybe kind of see, it's a real even cut. And I showed you that clip of the grass clippings because the first portion I cut with the bag on it, and it was really cool because I read that the mulch system is really good and cuts the grass really fine, and so I was able to actually see that for myself. The grass is cut very fine. So the bagging system works great. I'm going to use it mostly on mulch mode, but it's nice to know that the bagging system is there. Well, anyway, I see my neighbor over there. Hey, Paul. But if you have any questions, please comment below. If you want to learn more, or at least follow me along through my journey of commercial landscaping, then, you know, subscribe to these videos, comment below, and I can answer any questions about this model that you may have. I'll also be reviewing my my trimmer, which is a Husqvarna, and I'll be posting that one soon. So stay tuned. And San Antonio, if you need any kind of lawn services, please give me a call, 210-365-6695. I'm Daniel Paloma. I'm the owner of Square One Landscaping. Thank you.